Hello everyone! Why shouldn't the living space of these chickens be nice? You can earn money by making and selling this product, or you can make a new decor for your farm. We added a cuteness to our small feeding area by making a special picnic table for chickens. We obtained the materials we used from the recycling pallet. It cost us $6. Why can't you do it when you can give $90 to $100? You can easily make this simple plan in your garden. I will show you the construction steps step by step in this video. Let's make a picnic table for our chickens. We gave letters to the 19 pieces we cut. First of all, we create our feeding area. We apply glue to the sides of the parts and put them side by side. We glued B and its parts and put them in their places. We will screw the B and C parts, but first we open the screw with a thin drill bit so that our boards do not crack. We also placed our screws. Since the E parts are on the ground, we need to cut the parts that touch the ground with 30 degrees. Details for making this cut can be found on our Etsy page below. Now we are making the legs of the table. We will connect these parts with nails. Do not forget to apply glue to the joints. Our feet are ready. Let's move on to our next step. Now we are opening the screwing points of the G parts, namely the seat parts, so that our assembly will be easier. We got support from the parts we made to combine the legs and seats. We screw the seat parts to our feet. We have reached our final stage. We will connect our feeding area with our lower part. We open our screw places and do the screwing process. Now our table is ready. You can paint it the color you want, put the baits and leave it next to the chickens. This table costs us $6. You can produce this table and make a profit of $50–60. You can find all the dimensions related to this plan from the link below.